Never regret a day in your life. Good days give happiness, bad days gives experience, worst days give lessons, and best days gives memories. Good morning, students. Open your English first flight book. Today we are going to read Unit 3, Two Stories About Flying. In this, we have two parts, two stories. First one is His First Flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty, which we have already done. Now, we are going to start our second part, Black Aeroplane, written by Frederick Forsyth. Before starting our chapter, let's know something about our author, Frederick Forsyth. August 1938. He is an English author and occasional political commentator. Commentator is a person who comments on something. He is best known for thrillers such as The Day of the Jackal, The Odessa File, The Fourth Protocol, The Dogs of War, The Fist of God, The Veteran, Avenger, The Afghan and the Cobra. So now let's start with the introduction of our chapter. The story The Black Aeroplane is the story of a pilot who is lost in a storm on his way back to England. Does the pilot land safely? If yes, then who helped the pilot? The story ends with a note of mystery and suspense and leaves the reader to wonder about the sudden disappearance of the other pilot who saved him in landing safely. Now, let's discuss the summary of the chapter. The story Black Aeroplane is about a pilot who feels happy and contented. Contented means struggled to fly over a city that is sleeping at the night time. He is flying from Paris to London. While taking his flight, he dreams about the long holiday with his family. He also fantasizes about the scrumptious. Scrumptious means extremely tasty or delicious breakfast he would have upon landing. As soon as he crosses Paris, he gets a look of the dark clouds. There were a sign of the upcoming storm. The right decision would have been to turn back to the Paris for the sake of safety. But he being overshadowed by his dreams and not wanting to delay them, risk his life and heads straight into the storm. Everything gets dark. He is unable to see. All his direction instruments stop functioning and he loses control of the plane. When all hope was lost, he saw another plane whose pilot was more than willing to rescue them. The author was panicking as there was very less amount of fuel left. The anonymous and unknown pilot guided them out of the storm and disappeared as soon as they saw light. Upon landing, when he asked, "Here he is, the pilot," ask the lady in the control room about the other pilot, he is left in shock when she says that he was the only plane in the that his was the only plane in the sky. Now we will understand the theme of our chapter, The Black Aeroplane. The main argument of the story is that there is nothing like supernatural powers that help people in a time of crisis. Instead, it is the supreme power or the inner strength that is inside every human being. This inner strength helps them to fight against all adversities and overcome hurdles in their life. It gives them confidence and belief in their own power to rise and bravely face the crisis. Now, before we start the explanation of our chapter, let's understand the title of our chapter. The title of the story, The Black Aeroplane, is an ideal title. The black aeroplane is the mysterious and strange plane that came from nowhere to help the narrator. Once the narrator lands safely, the black aeroplane disappears and is nowhere to be seen. At the end of the story, the thought of the reader stays on with the black plane and its pilot. It compels the reader to wonder about nothing else but the black plane.